In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your headline on your profile on LinkedIn. So here we are on the home page, and you can access your profile by either clicking here on the photo or your name, or by clicking on me and click on View Profile. Once you've arrived at your profile, your headline is this section over here. So what you want to do is you want to click here on the pencil. That opens up a complete other page. And here you can see it indicates headline. So this is where you paste the text for your headline. Just keep checking it because you cannot make it too long, otherwise it will be cut out on LinkedIn. So ensure that you use the right amount of words so that it is all visible. Once you're finished, just click on save, and that will then be saved onto your profile. If you do not view it straight away, just refresh your page and that should sort it out. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos on this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.